Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious gobi manchurian. Let's get started. Now chop 200 grams of cauliflower, blanch it in hot water and salt for 2 minutes. To a bowl add in half a cup of plain flour, quarter cup of corn flour, a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Once it is thoroughly mixed, add in half a cup of water little by little and mix it well till it is lump free and reaches this consistency. That is, it should be a little thick, but we should be able to pour it freely. The batter should be able to coat the cauliflower well like this. Now add the cauliflowers to the batter and let it marinate. Meanwhile, take 3 cloves of garlic, an inch of ginger, 1 green chilli, half a capsicum, half an onion and 2 shallot part of spring onion. Finely chop this as shown. Meanwhile, in a kadai, add in enough oil to deep fry the cauliflowers. Once the oil is hot enough, add in the cauliflowers and fry on medium flame. It will take about 4 or 5 minutes. Once it becomes crispy and golden, remove it from the heat and drain off the excess oil using tissue paper. Now in another pan or a wok, add in a ladle of oil. To this, add in the garlic, ginger, spring onion, green chilli and the onions that we chopped earlier. Now on high heat, saute till the onions become translucent. Once the onion is translucent, add in the chopped capsicum. Now saute this for a minute. To this, add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. To this, add in a teaspoon of vinegar and mix everything well. To this, add in the cornflour slurry. This cornflour slurry I made with 1 tablespoon of cornflour to 4 tablespoons of water. Once it thickens, add in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. If you prefer, you can add in a pinch of sugar as well. Now add in the crispy fried cauliflowers and mix everything well. You can use the same method for crispy cauliflower fries. The fries itself would be very tasty and crispy. Now once it is coated well with the sauces, add in some finely chopped spring onion leaves and garnish with some sesame seeds. Serve it hot as sides for fried rice or noodles. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Do not forget to try it out and share in your feedbacks. Thank you for watching.